So good morning my dear students. So I am your Bhavajit sir. So today's class I will do like this because the exercise 13, the most part of the exercise 13 actually you have to do homework. Okay, so majority part of this chapter belongs to your homework category. So I think all of you learned in the last class that with the help of nets how can you form a square, uh, not square, a form, cuboid, like etc. Okay, so the question number exercise 13.1 question number 1 is given. Color the nets which can be used to make cubes. Okay, so that means some nets are given to you. You have to just find that nets. You have to find that nets with the help of which, this question, with the help of which you can actually form a cube, and after that you have to do the color. Okay, so do practice in your home. Question number 2, make a dice using the net given below. So the nets of the dice is given, so all the parts, all the sides, all the edges, or that means all the faces, actually all the faces of the uh, dice is given. You have to just form a cube. Okay, so do at your home, practice at your home. Okay, nothing is important in this chapter actually. So question number 3, match the nets which they are solid. So in this question number 3, some figures are given. So left side figure is, the figure on the left is actually the figure of the nets, and the figure right is actually the solid. Okay, so you have to just match that. Suppose these nets. Okay, I am giving one answer here. Suppose these nets belong to this figure. Like this, you have to find the nets belong to which figure. Okay, suppose this one belongs to this, like this you have to do in your home. Okay, so now come to the next part of this chapter, that is isometric sketches. So isometric paper, at first all of you have to know what is isometric dot paper. So some papers where the dots are given like this are known as isometric dot paper. And look at this one, these dots are the same distance apart from each other. Okay, so actually in this type of paper, the 3D figure you can easily draw. Okay, suppose this is a cube. Suppose this is the figure of a cuboid. Then suppose this is height, this is length, or this is breadth. You can easily draw figures in isometric dot paper. Okay, so come to the exercise 13.2, draw the given shapes using an isometric dot paper. So all of you do these questions in your home. Okay, so now the question exercise 13.3, some questions are given. You have to do solve this, write this. Okay, so first question is, what cross sections of the following objects when you make a vertical cut and a horizontal cut? So a round cake, an orange, a die, a cylinder, and ice cream. So it is asking that when you do vertical cut, vertical means like this way, and horizontal means this way, then what cross section of the following objects, what cross section you find? Okay, so now let us solve this one. So first one, exercise 13.3, question number 1, a round cake. So a round cake, when you do vertical cut, then we will get two semicircle shape pieces of same diameter. You can actually imagine, practically think, whenever you cut a round cake vertically like this, then what you will get? We will get two semicircle shape pieces of same diameter. Again, horizontal cut, same, we will get two semicircle shape pieces of same diameter. Okay, so question number B and orange is a homework for you. Okay, now a die, vertical cut. So all of you imagine a dice or a cube. Okay, whenever you cut vertically like this, okay, then we'll get two rectangular shape pieces of length half the side of the dice, but the breadth will be same as the side of the dice. Okay, about this one, like this. Okay, when you cut like this vertically, okay, then this breadth remains same. Okay, but this part will be half. Okay, And horizontal cut will get two pieces of rectangular shape, each of length equals to side of the dice, but breadth will be half of the side of the dice. In this case, breadth will be half. Okay. So now a cylinder. Vertical cut will get two rectangular face shapes, and horizontal cut will get two cylinder shapes. Okay. Again, an ice cream cone. Vertical cut will get two triangular face shapes, and horizontal cut will get one piece of small cone shape and one frustum shape piece. Okay. So I think all of you understand this chapter. This chapter number 13 is not important, not very much important to all of you, but just you have to do some home exercise, homework of this chapter. Okay, just make some cube, draw some cube, draw some nets, form using some nets, form some cube or cuboid. Okay, but exercise 13.3 question number 1, this one is important question, belongs to this 13.3 in will ask in your exam. Okay, so in the next video I will start the chapter number 14, which is symmetry.